Hello everyone, this is Shubha from Pratishthan Learning Center of Lotus Petal Foundation, bringing you another biology lesson of class 9 adaptations. What is an adaptation? Adaptation in biology means the process by which a species becomes fitted to its environment. As we are aware, the environment keeps on changing, so it is very important for living organisms to adapt themselves or keep them fitted for their survival, otherwise it is difficult for them to be alive. In this lesson we will be studying about animal adaptations. There are various kinds of adaptations in animals. Number one is terrestrial. Animals that live on the land areas are known as terrestrial animals or terrestrial adaptations. Terrestrial adaptations can be on the desert, it can be in the forest or in mountains. Desert adaptations, for example, if we consider camel's body is adapted in various ways. It has long legs to protect from the heat of the desert sand. It has humps to store fat. It excretes concentrated urine to retain water in the body. It excretes a solid dung. It has a scaly skin to resistance from the dryness. That's how it survives in the desert. To talk about the forest, taking the examples of lion and deer, a lion adapts itself by camouflaging with dry grass for hunting. Camouflaging means matching its body color with the background. At the same time, deer has to run away or escape from the lion, so it has long legs to escape as well as it is a very fast runner and it has a front eye. It can see everywhere and it is very alert because of this. Arboreal animals, normally terrestrial animals that live most of the time on the trees are known as arboreal, and for that their body is adapted too. They have sharp claws to climb up and down the branches and usually have a strong muscular limbs and a tail for holding on to the branches. For example, monkey and koala. Next is adaptations of aquatic animals, that is in the water. So aquatic animals have gills to breathe in water where there is dissolved oxygen in the water and they can use that. They have fins as well as streamlined body shape which helps them to swim, which is required to live in water. Its body is covered with scales so that it can maintain the water life. Thank you everyone. We will be studying about plant adaptations in the next one.